Hey everyone, the Xever 7 Pro is not a smartphone meant for casual social media browsing or use in offices or cafes. It is designed for situations in which standard devices would not be able to survive. It is evident from the outset that this is a professional tool masquerading as a smartphone, intended for individuals who operate in challenging, unexpected, and frequently hazardous environments. The construction quality perfectly fulfills its intended function. The body is made of metal inserts, rubberized components, and reinforced polymers that work together to create a stiff protective structure. The rear panel feels quite sturdy. The frame is strengthened and the corners are cushioned. Each button and seam is made to keep out dirt, dust, and wetness. The gadget can withstand submersion in water, high-pressure jets, drops, vibrations, and extreme temperatures because it complies with IP68, IP69K, and MIL-STD-810H specifications. Strong integrated flashlight is another useful feature. It is much brighter than majority of smartphones, with a brightness of about 230 lumens. Display is a sizable 6.67-inch panel that puts practicality ahead of ostentatious features. Glove mode, which enables the screen to react precisely even when touched through gloves up to 1.5 millimeters thick, is its most notable feature. This comprises thin labor gloves, cotton gloves, and some synthetic leather gloves in addition to specialized touchscreen gloves. Xever 7 Pro's built-in thermal imager is one of its distinguishing characteristics. It makes use of FLIR Lepton 3.5 module, which is considered by many to be among the best small thermal imaging options on the market. This sensor is a professional-grade part used in industrial and specialist equipment, not a toy. It can be used for anything from industrial inspections to home diagnostics because it can function in a broad temperature range of -10 to +450 degrees Celsius. It can detect temperature variations as small as fractions of a degree, thanks to its 160 by 120 pixel resolution and thermal sensitivity below 50 millikelvin. The Xever 7 Pro comes with a complete range of industrial sensors and equipment in addition to the thermal camera. For a tough smartphone, the camera system is surprisingly powerful. A 50 megapixel primary sensor and a 64 megapixel night vision camera make up the dual camera arrangement on the back. The primary camera produces high-quality images with precise colors, dependable exposure, and good detail during the day. With clear subject separation and a background blur that looks natural, portrait mode consistently performs well. For a tough tablet, the Xever 7 Pro has good sound quality. It is clear during calls, video playback, and basic media consumption, and it is loud enough to be heard in noisy settings. Instead of being extraordinary, performance is pragmatic. The smartphone has 12 gigs of RAM and a contemporary processor that supports 5G. The program feels snappy and stable when running on Android 15. Even with heavy use, the internal battery system's 5,550 mAh unit may easily last an entire workday. The Xever 7 Pro is not aiming to compete with camera-focused phones or slim flagships. It has a very obvious purpose. It is intended for professionals that require specialist equipment, durability, and dependability in a single device. The Xever 7 Pro offers a unique blend of durability, innovation, and really helpful features for those who value functionality above form, work in harsh conditions, and cannot risk gadget failure. It is more than simply a tough smartphone. It is a real work tool designed to withstand situations in which the majority of smartphones would break nearly instantly. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this phone? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.